Hi, everybody. I'm Tammy Hildebrand, and I teach at Copper Elementary. And I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial for teachers on how to use Screencastify. I love Screencastify. It can be used to record whatever's on your screen, and the video that you make is easily uploaded to both Google Classrooms and YouTube. You can also just get a link and embed it into something like Class Dojo. So I'm going to show you how to go about Screencastify. This is my screen right now on my laptop. First, you're going to go to Screencastify and download it and install it, which is very easy, very quick. As you can see, I've already installed it. And when you install it, you're going to get a little pink arrow up here. You see mine has a red dot over it, which means I'm recording. The only downside that I have found to Screencastify is that the maximum video length is 5 minutes. So whatever you're doing, it needs to be quick. My favorite uses for Screencastify are reading articles like social studies articles, News ELA, ReadWorks articles. You can share with students a guided reading. You can highlight text as you're reading aloud. And I think that would be really beneficial. You could also use it for a really quick math lesson. I think one of the main strengths of something like Screencastify is you could go through a SIP story and read it out loud to students, and they can have the text in front of them on the screen. For this kind of technology, you are going to need your school laptop, and you're going to need a reliable connection to the internet. The only problem I've encountered with Screencastify so far was getting the microphone to work. But after I played with it for a while, I was able to figure that out. When you make a Screencastify video, you're going to find all of your videos in your Google Drive. And sometimes they seem to populate up here in the quick access, and sometimes they seem to populate down here in the folders. I haven't really figured that part out, but you can go into my Screencastify and see practice videos that I made. This is where all your videos will go, and you will be prompted when you get to this area. When you stop your video, you'll be prompted to either copy a shareable link, share to a classroom, or publish to YouTube. Like I said, for the free version, you are limited to 5 minutes, so you do need to have a pretty clear understanding of what you are about to teach before you teach it, and you need to know that it can be done quickly. Okay, if you have any questions, I'm by no means a Screencastify master, but I can probably help you through it. My email is thildebrand@mtwain.k12.ca.us, and you can find me on the Copper website. Thank you. Have a great day, and happy screencasting.